Hindi pa nag-i-start. Nagpe-prepare pa lang yung mga estudyante. Hindi ko nakita sa register kung ilan ng kung ilan ng nakalista lahat ng atin ng student nagma-attend ng mass. Sayang yumuko si ate. Nalagay pa sila. Kulang pa. Update ko kayo sa video, guys.
Academic requirements set by our beloved teachers, alongside our many activities and competitions that tested our creativity, our stamina, and our patience. Today, as we look back, we can claim all our works paid off. In a short while, we shall be reaping the fruits of our labor, especially the hard-earned diploma that will testify that we, as graduates of the Senior High School of San Beda University, have successfully met the standards of our school and other institutions that grant accreditation to our school. As we say goodbye to the portals of San Beda, we also express our earnest gratitude to all that have been part of our journey. Our ever-supportive parents provided us with everything that we need to ensure us of a brighter tomorrow. Our school administrators and teachers who guided us as we strive to be the best person we can be. Our school staff and personnel who make sure that the facilities and all other little things that we need are ready every time we need them. And most of all, the source of all that is good, the source of all wisdom and strength, the God who has been with us all the time, whose silent presence is our consolation and joy. For all that has been and all that will be, this is the reason why we gather here, to offer ourselves to the child Jesus, the Santo Niño today. For all that you have cost us, thank you, Lord. Please stand.
Hindi makita yung bubulahin na. Joke lang guys.
Let us all rise and join the choir in singing the entrance hymn.
Peace offering, lahat pala ng flower na nasa estudyante, ibibigay sa parents. Dear parents, congratulations parents. Parents, both side ng parents.
Begin class at the count of 3.
STEM 2. Ayun. Focus natin, tingnan natin kung makuha.
Smile, everyone. Okay, thank you so much.
Tapos na.